Let's meet some amazing animal families and find out what they call their babies, where they live, and the sounds they love to make.
Lion. Meet the lion, the king of the jungle. A bunch of lions is called a pride. A baby lion is a cute little cub. It loves to roar loud and proud. Lions rest and play in their cozy den. Here comes the elephant. Big and gentle. They move together in a herd. A baby elephant is called a calf. It loves to trumpet with its long trunk. Elephants live out on the wide, grassy savanna. Woof woof. Say hello to the dog. Dogs hang out in a pack. A baby dog is a puppy. So cuddly. They bark to say hello. Or, give me a treat. Quote, dogs live happily in a house with their humans. Purr. Here's the cat. Graceful and curious. A group of cats is a clouder. Fun word, right? A baby cat is a soft kitten. They love to meow for food or cuddles. Cats curl up cozily in a house. Moo. It's the friendly cow. Cows gather in a herd. A baby cow is a calf. They moo all day long in the fields. Cows sleep in a comfy barn. Ba ba. Meet the sheep. They stay together in a flock. A baby sheep is a fluffy lamb. They baa so sweetly. Sheep live safely inside a pen. Neigh. The horse loves to run fast. Horses move in a herd. A baby horse is a foal. They neigh to talk to their friends. Horses rest in a stable. Oink oink. Say hi to the pig. A group of pigs is a drift. A baby pig is a piglet. Small and pink. They love to oink and roll in the mud. Pigs live in a sty. Honk honk. Here comes the goose. A bunch of geese is called a gaggle. A baby goose is a gosling. They honk loudly as they waddle. Geese live happily by a pond. Quack quack. It's the duck. Ducks stay together in a flock. A baby duck is a cute duckling. They love to quack and splash. You'll find them swimming near a pond. Cluck cluck. Meet the chicken. They live together in a flock. A baby chicken is a chick. They cluck all day long. Chickens sleep in a coop. Awoo. Here's the wolf. Wild and smart. Wolves travel in a pack. A baby wolf is a pup. They howl at the moon. Wolves live deep inside a den. Grr. The bear is big and strong. A group of bears is a sloth. Fun fact. A baby bear is a cuddly cub. They growl when they're hungry. Bears sleep in a cozy cave. Chatter chatter. It's the playful monkey. They swing together in a troop. A baby monkey is called an infant. They chatter and giggle in the jungle. Monkeys live high up in the trees. Hoo hoo. Meet the wise owl. A group of owls is called a parliament. A baby owl is an owler. They hoot softly in the night. Owls make their home in a tree. Hop hop. Here's the rabbit. Rabbits live together in a colony. A baby rabbit is a kit. They squeak and twitch their noses. Rabbits live in a burrow underground. Ribbit. It's the frog. Frogs gather in an army. How cool. A baby frog is a tadpole. They croak and leap everywhere. Frogs live near a pond. Buzz buzz. Here comes the bee. Bees work together in a swarm. A baby bee is a larva. They buzz while flying from flower to flower. Bees live in a hive. Blub blub. Say hi to the fish. They swim together in a school. A baby fish is a fry. They make blub sounds underwater. Fish live in the sea. Splash. It's the giant whale. Whales swim in a pod. A baby whale is a calf. They click to talk under the waves. Whales live in the ocean.